In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your Lightning Lane Multipass at Disneyland. And with that, you can choose a ride every 2 hours or so to have a shorter wait time. I also want to mention the Lightning Lane Single Pass, and that's where you can purchase entry onto some of the most popular attractions at the park. So everything we're going to be doing today is in the Disneyland app. So you're going to open up your app, click the bottom right 3 lines, and then click Today's Plans. From there, you're going to click onto your tip board and you can scroll through and see all of the options you have for your Lightning Lane experiences. So here we can see, okay, Autotopia has a multi-pass that you can select, Big Thunder does as well. So scroll through and see which rides you want to use your pass for. So some that get long waits that I do recommend are Indiana Jones, Space Mountain, Thunder Mountain. Those are some of the most popular rides at Disneyland. And here's an example of a single pass. So for Star Wars Rise of the Resistance, that's going to cost you $28 with a single pass. Okay, so once you're approaching the gate, make sure you open your app and click My Tickets so that you have your ticket ready to scan for the entrance. So they will take your picture as you enter. Thank you. Okay, so now that we're in, we're gonna do our multi-lane passes. So we're gonna go in. Go to Today's Plans. Go to your tip board. And then we're gonna see what we wanna do. So we've got Big Thunder, Buzz, no. Let's go ahead and do our first Lightning Lane then of Mickey and Minnie's. That's true. Okay, I'm gonna select Mickey and Minnie's. And I'm gonna select all my guests. Okay, here we go. We can go there between 9:10 and 10:10 to Mickey and Minnie's. So now we're gonna head over to Rise of the Resistance. So you will get a 1 hour time slot for that selection that you make with your Lightning Lane Multipass. You can make your next selection after you redeem your current selection or after 2 hours. And let's say you forget when you can make your next selection, you can open up the app and it'll tell you on your tip board at the top. So we can see I can book my next selection at 10:10. I recommend setting a 1 hour and 55-minute timer so that you don't forget to make your next selection. If you try to select a ride before your time, this is what you're going to see. So it will not let you make that next selection until your time. With a Hopper Pass, you can select the Disney California Adventure Park and you can choose from there as well. Just keep in mind that with the Hopper, you can't visit the next park until 11 a.m. But it's pretty cool that you could be in Disneyland and still select your multi-pass at California Adventure. So here's a look at your Lightning Lane multi-pass options at California Adventure. Lightning Lane Multipass also gives you access to all of the photos that you take at the parks. So when you open up the app, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to the photo gallery. And this is where the photos that are taken from the professional photographers around the park are going to generate. So if you click link photos at the top, you can see your photo passcode, which is what you'll show the photographer to get your photos linked to your account. And then use this link attraction photos to enter the attraction ID. So when you get off of a ride and you see your picture on the screen, take a picture of that so you can get that code. You're gonna have to enter that on your app so that you can get access to your ride photo. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna show you how to use your Lightning Lane Multipass. So here we are at Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my app. And on my day, I can scroll down and see my Lightning Lane Multipass. So I'm gonna go ahead and click Redeem. And here are my passes to use that Lightning Lane. Okay, so that is it for how to use your Lightning Lane multipass. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe for another upcoming video on all the rides we did at Disneyland and California Adventure.